Dear students, in this session, we are going to see new concept. Area of bounded region. Area bounded by curve y equal to f of x the ordinates x equal to a, x equal to b, and x-axis is given by integral a to b modulus y dx equal to integral a to b modulus of f of x dx. X-axis, y-axis, y equal to f of curve between a and b. Want to find this area, integral a to b modulus f of x dx. If the curve lie above x y dx, lie below means minus y dx, that is generally we take modulus y dx. Area x equal to f of y y equal to c, y equal to d, and y axis is given by integral c to d modulus x dy or integral c to d modulus f of y dy. X-axis, y-axis, this is y equal to c, y equal to d, x equal to f of y. Area bounded by the curves y equal to f of x and y equal to g of x is given by and related to be modulus of f of x minus g of x dx. So y equal to f of x. This is y equal to g of x. This is A. This is B. We want to find this area. So in related to be f of modulus of f of x minus g of x dx. Find the area of the ellipse x square plus s square plus y square b squared equal to 1 is greater than b. X square by a square plus here the point is A minus A here A. Here center 0. So the ellipse intersects major axis at the point A and minus A. This is x axis, this is y axis. Y square b squared equal to 1 minus x square by a squared minus x square by a squared. Y squared equal to b square by a squared into a square minus x squared. Y equal to plus or minus b by a root of a square minus x squared. So, to find the area of the ellipse, it is better area of the ellipse is symmetrical both x axis and y axis. All area in all quadrants are equal. Find the area in the first quadrant and you multiply by 4. It will give you total area of the ellipse. So, area of the ellipse equal to 4 times area in the first quadrant. So 4 times 4 into integral 0 to a y dx. 4 times 0 to a, in place of y take plus or minus b by a root of a square minus x square into dx. First quadrant is positive only, but we take b by a root of a square minus x square. 4b by a x by 2 root of a square minus x squared plus a square by 2 sin inverse of x by a. The limit is 0 to a. 4b by a. If you apply a square minus a square 0, a square by 2 sin inverse of 1 0, here also 0. So 4b by a into a square by 2 into sin inverse of pi by 2. 2 to 4 will be cancelled, 1a will be cancelled. Pi a b square units. You remember this SAR results. Area of the ellipse means pi a b square units. You can have few as results. The area bounded by x square by a squared plus y square b squared equal to 1, and its auxiliary circle is pi a square minus pi a b equal to pi a into a minus b. Square units. So ellipse it's axial circle. So this is the area between this is ellipse. Axis means a circle having semi-major axis its radius. Its equation is x square plus y square equal to a square. So area of the circle, that is pi a square. Area of the ellipse, that is pi a b. So pi a into a minus b square units. Find the area bounded by y square equal to 4ax and its lattice rectum. So y square equal to 4ax, x-axis, y-axis. This point focus a comma 0. This is the lattice rectum. You want to have a of this portion. So it is symmetric about both axes, symmetrically x-axis. The quadrant above the x-axis will be the same area of this portion below x-axis. Required area equal to 2 times the limit is 0 to a y dx, twice 0 to a So y squared equal to 4ax. Y equal to 2 root a into root x. Two into root a into root x dx. 4 root a x per half plus 1 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. 4 root a into 2 by 3 a power 3 by 2. 8 by 3 root a power 3 by 2. Eight by 3 a squared square units. You can remember as a result. Area between ellipse parabola and its lattice septum is 8 by 3 whole squared. Suppose find the area bounded by y squared equal to 16x and its lattice septum. So required area equal to, instead of doing lengthily, you can use the results. 8 by 3 a squared. Here 4a equal to 16, a equal to 4. 8 by 3 120 square units. Find the area or area between x square by a square plus 1 and x by a plus yes. You can remember is the results. This is ellipse. Here A, here B. This is straight line intercept form. This is the required area. Here 0. To find this area, find the area of the first quadrant, that is pi AB by 4 and area of this triangle half AB. So pi AB by 4 minus half AB. You can derive this. You can derive to get this value, but you can remember as a results. First quadrant, you know the ellipse phi AB. 1 quarter means pi AB by 4. This means right angle triangle half into base and height of AB. It's very important result. I give a few more results. Area bounded by the area between y squared equal to 4ax and x squared equal to 4by is 16ab by 3. Area between y square equal to 4ax and x square equal to 4ay is 16 a square by 3. Area encoded between y squared equal to 4x between the parabola y squared equal to 4ax and the line y equal to mx is 8 a square by 3 m cubed. Find the area of the region bounded by x square plus y squared minus 6x minus 4y plus 12 less than or equal to 0. Y less than or equal to x and x less than or equal to 5 by 2. X square plus y squared minus 6x minus 4y plus 12 less than or equal to 0. Y less than or x, x less than or equal to 5 by 2. So x squared minus 6x plus y squared minus 4y 12 equal to 0. x minus whole square minus 9 plus y minus whole square minus 4 plus 12 equal 0. X minus whole square plus 1. So center 2 comma the center 3 comma 2, radius 1 unit. So y equal to x minus passes through origin, and this is y equal to x. One, two, three, two. So you have to draw the diagram properly. This line is y equal to x that is 3 comma 2, it's parallel with 2, so obviously y equal to x. So at y value 2 means x value also should be 2 at this point, and 5 by 2, that is 2.5, x 2 units, here 3 units, two 3 in between you can draw a line, that is x equal to 5 by 2. So this portion only you are going to find. So for x here 2, here 3 by 2, 5 by 2. This area means area between the line and this curve between 2 and 5 by 2. The curve can be written as y minus 2 whole square equal to 1 minus x minus whole square. Y minus 2 equal root of y equal to 2 plus root of 1 minus x minus 3 whole square. The given sum is x squared so x minus 3 whole squared y minus 2 whole squared equal to 1, y minus 2 whole square equal to 1 minus x minus 3 whole squared if you bring 2 plus root of 1 minus x minus 3 the whole squared required area equal to 2 to 5 by 2 this value x minus two plus root of into dx. That is 2 to 5 by 2 x minus 2 into dx minus 2 to 5 by 2 root of 1 minus x minus 3 the whole square dx. So x square by 2 minus 2x or 2 to 5 by 2 minus a square minus x square x by 2 that is x minus root of 1 minus x whole square plus a square by 2 that is 1 by 2 sinus of x minus x by a means x minus 3 by a or 2 to 5 by 2. Equal to 1 by 2 So 24 minus 2 into 5 by 2, that is upper limits, minus lower limits. If you apply 2, that is 4 by 2, 2 square 4 by 2, 2 into 2, 4. This portion is over, minus. Applying 5 by 2, 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2, root of 1 minus 5 by 2 minus 3 whole square, 1 by 2 sinus of 5 by 2 minus 3. Minus if you apply 2, 2 minus 3, 1. 1 square 1. So whole term will be 0 plus 1 by 2 sin 2 minus 3, that is minus 1. Twenty-five by 8 minus 5, 2 minus 2, again plus 2, minus 2 into 3, 6, 5 minus 6, minus 1 by 2, so this is minus 1 by 4, root of 1 minus 1 by 4, 2 into 3, 6, so 5 minus 6, minus 1 by 2, whole square means 1 by 4, 1 by 2 sinus of minus 1 by 2 minus plus minus and plus minus 1 by 2 sinus of minus 1, that is minus 5 by 2. If you calculate this, (25 by 2) minus 5 plus 2 minus 3, that is 25 minus 24 by 8, that is for this portion have 1 by 8, that is 1 by 8. Minus 1 by 4, 4 minus 3, 3 root 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2 sinus of minus half, that is minus 30 degree plus pi by 4. One by 8 minus 1 by 4 root 3 by 8. minus pi by 12 plus pi by 4. One by 8 plus pi minus 3 pi by 12. That is 1 by 8 plus root 3 by 8 minus pi by 6. The smaller the area, bounded by the curves, x square plus y square equal to 4, y square equal to 2 into x plus 2 is a equal to 8 by 3 plus pi, b 16 by 3 plus 2 pi, c 2 pi minus 16 by 3, d 5 minus 8 by 3. So x squared plus y squared equal to 4. Y squared equal to 2 into x plus 2. So x squared plus y squared equal to 4 means circle with center 0, 0, radius 2 units. This point is minus 2. Here the vertex is minus 2. Also, x squared plus in place of y squared, you take this twice into x plus 2 equal to 4. X square plus 2x plus 4 equal 0. 4 equal to 4. X square plus 2x equal to 0. X into x plus 2 0. X equal to 0. X equal to minus 2. X equal to 0 means y squared equal to 4. Y equal to plus or minus 2. So this point. Further x equal to minus 2 means y equal to 0. So the curve intersects this point and these 2 points. 0 comma minus 2, this point 0 comma 2, this point minus 2 comma 0. The points of intersection are zero comma minus 2 comma 0, 0 comma 2 and 0 comma minus 2. We have to find this area only. Area bounded by this circle and this parabola. This and this are equal. So 2 times the area. Area of this portion, that is one quarter of circle. Area of one by 4 pi r squared, that is 4, that is pi. This whole area equal to pi. We need this portion only. We have to subtract this area. That means area between here 0 limit, the curve and x-axis. So required area equal to two times upper part and lower part, 2 times area of this portion, that is pi, minus 2 to 0 limit x value minus 2, x value 0. This curve root of 2 into root x plus 2 into dx. Two into pi minus root 2. If you integrate x plus whole power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 over minus 2 to 0. Two into pi minus 2 root by 3, apply 0, 2 power 3 by 2, pi minus root 2 into applying upper limits 2 by 3 into 2 power 3 by 2. If you apply lower limit minus 2 plus 2, answer will be 0. Pi minus root 2 into 2 by 3, that is 2 root 2. A power 3 by 2 means a into root a. 2 power 3 by 2 means 2 into root 2. Therefore, 2 into 5 minus 2 into 4, that is 8 by 3. Root 2 into root 2, 2 into 4, 48, 8 by 3. That is 2 pi minus 16 by 3 square units. Next, the area enclosed by the curve y equal to x squared and y equal to twice modulus x is option A 4 by 3, option B 2 by 3, option C 8 by 3, option D 1 by 3. Y equal to x squared, y equal to twice modulus x. So this is x squared equal to y. This is y equal to 2x. This is y equal to minus 2x. Y equal to twice modulus x equal to 2x, x greater than 0, minus 2x, x less than 0. This point is 0, 0. Y equal to x squared, y equal to 2x, x square 2x, x square minus 2x equal 0, x into, so x equal to 0, x equal to 2. X 0 means y 0, x equal to y equal to 4. So this point will be 2, 4. Let the point be A. Suppose if you consider minus 2x plus 2x, here we have x equal to minus 2. X equal to minus 2 implies y is also 4. So this point will be minus 2, 4. Let it be B. This is the portion we have to find. So both A is symmetrical. This area and this area will be same. Required area equal to 2 times equal 0 to 2. X value 0 to 2. First this line 2x dx minus 0 to the parabola x squared dx. So 2 into that is x squared to 0 to 2 that is 02. Two square 4 minus 8 by 3. 2 into 12 minus 8 by 3. 8 by 3 square units. We will continue in the next session. Thank you.